everyone to. I said welcome everyone to my friend doing tricks.
Yep.
First, now you're gonna do something epic, and then you're gonna edit it, and it's gonna be so
I'm
much.
gonna do the move Rock Bottom. You might all be familiar of The Rock. He's been in many movies, more of an actor than a WWE fighter.
Who's The Rock?
The Rock is a famous wrestler. You
Cool.
should know that, or you
It's
have
the
to
bald
get
dude that played Moana.
He's
He
also known as...
Really? He's a cartoon character?
Yeah, he's a cartoon character. Maui.
Played in Disney too.
I know who The Rock is, guys. I'm just letting everyone who doesn't know get an
Well, if they
explanation.
don't know, they need to watch some TV.
I barely watch TV.
Yeah, so do I.
Ronaldo, go Ronaldo, go.
Okay.
German suplex to your brother.
Hey Sandy,
Actually, Rock
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get like thousands of dislikes. Sandy, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get like thousands of dislikes for this. Even if like 2 people watch my video, I'm still gonna get thousands of dislikes somehow.
Do it to me.
So this is what I'm gonna do. Go Ronaldo, go! Number 7, Portugal.
So, here is what you do. Michael,
Can you please let him do the German suplex? It'll get it won't hurt.
Santiago, keep your hands to yourself.
Don't worry, Mom. It's totally safe.
The German suplex. Oh yeah, that so needs to be snowed. And now,
Let me
Matthew,
see that.
do something.
Now,
Johnny, stop it.
that's gonna be it.
Stupid.
Yeah, I'm editing it.
Okay, so now I will show you the Styles Clash. First, can I show you them the Styles Clash?
Yeah, Michael. Number 32.
Michael, stand up.
Oh, poor Michael.
Oh.
Ooh, pain. You can see that look of pain on his face. He's definitely not laughing, man. He's laughing.
I'm ready to do this.
Oh my god. Yeah, if Michael was really fighting, he would kick Sandy's butt.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Oh, okay. Stepping back, I'm gonna slow-mo most of this fight. Oh yeah. Oh, again! That wasn't really a full one, but it was still epic. I can't get a good angle without getting Sandy's butt in it.
Wait,
Movement.
I'm gonna go for a pin. So Michael, stop moving your legs. Michael, stop. This isn't gonna hurt.
Santiago,
I'm going for a pin. Well, not a pin, but tap out.
No, please don't. Hurt my brother.
Tap out. Okay, this isn't working. Turn it off.
Okay, well, everyone, if I
My
can get
shoe
at
fell
least
off.
1 like on this video, I will
My
do some
shoe
more of
fell
this.
off.
Because that shows that at least one
Look
person
at
wants
my
to watch
foot. Want to see my other foot?
Nobody wants to see other foot.
Look.
Nobody wants to. Ugh. And hand, foot, and mouth disease. Nobody wants to.
it. Well, he had it. Oh, get out of the screen, Matthew.
We can still see your
Dog.
spots on your
Who
leg.
wants to see a dog beat up Santa?
Still a rash.
Okay,
Get him,
Pirate.
Pirate. Yeah, bye-bye. Get him now.
Go fight.
Sandy's getting beat up by a dog. Now let the dog take you down.
Oh,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait, no. We have a dog wrestling match.
Here's my
No, they're jealous of each other.
And you're going to fight each other.
They're jealous.
fighting.
Not the
This
neck.
is how Sandy wishes it was with girls.
Hey, hands off. Okay, we're gonna have a clean match.
Yeah, clean
No,
match.
they want to fight.
Whoa. Oh,
Who's gonna win?
I should probably end this. Okay, just in case it ends like randomly from out of storage space, I'm just gonna say this right now. Goodbye, everyone. You can watch this if it stays on, obviously. You can watch this.
Oh look, Tony, I'm gonna flip him.
Whoa.
I'm gonna flip him.
Okay. Anyways, yeah. Bye, everyone. Please subscribe and like and comment and
And tell Tony he is a bad YouTuber.
yeah, you can do that too. But please don't.
Please do.
Oh, that was epic. They were standing on their hind legs. Were saying, "Move, the camera." I mean, I like Ronaldo. Go on.
Hi.
Okay,
Run.
Pirate.
Run.
Whoa. You're horrible at filming. No! Let me film. Who wants to see flashes of light? Ready? Flash of light.
Woo, nice.
I didn't even have to edit that. Oh, and one of them retreats. It looks like Pirate is the winner. And flash of light.
And don't.
And I'm out.